Hello beautiful dancers, welcome back. It is Jenna from Bobby Art Movement Society with a dance and tutorial for us today for our Waltz Across Texas. And this is going to be a chair version of our dance. So if this feels more appropriate for our bodies today, I hope that you enjoy dancing along with me. So find that sturdy chair, comfortable clothing, clear space around us, and we'll get started with our steps. Waltz Across Texas starts with a twinkle with our left foot crossing over. So we're gonna have left, right, left, repeating that, right, left, right. So it's just a little gentle cross, side, step, cross, side, step. And we can always make those steps as big or as small as we need. You can also keep it without the cross as well. So always listening to the knees and the body. So those counts are 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Weight is on that right foot. We're going to take a basic forward with our left foot. Left, right, left. Repeating that with our right foot. Right, left, right. We're going to travel back with our left foot now, going left, right, left. And then one more time with the right foot. Right, left, right. So step, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. Putting them all together from the top, starting with our twinkle with our left foot, crossing over, left, right, left, right, left, right, front, and back, and back. So when I'm saying front and back, we can definitely keep those steps right underneath ourselves if that feels better, or if we want to challenge ourselves, we really are trying to actually step away from our chair, and then when we bring ourselves back, we're bringing ourselves closer underneath our chair, just to challenge ourselves if that feels right. Try that again from the top. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, left, and right, and back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. Weight is on our right foot. We're going to take a step together, step, step together, step right underneath ourselves. So that's 1, 2, 3. We're going to cross over with the right foot, step your left foot to the side, and we're going to cross behind with that right foot. Now in the chair, it might be a little bit more challenging, so we might have to keep ourselves a little bit smaller. We can think forward, side, back, or cross, side, back, or march, march, march. Again, finding the version that feels right for us. But it's our version of a weave step. So we would have cross with the right, step on the left, cross behind with that right foot. From here, we're going to sway it left, right, left. And our sways are really going to be in that upper body. Sway, sway, sway. Arms can stay in the lap, or maybe we want to have those arms up. Choose what feels right. So let's look at all of that again. Our second phrase, traveling everything on over to our left. So we have step together, step, and weave, step, cross, sway, sway, sway. I'm going to put those counts with it. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the little weave is a little bit faster, so find the version again that works for us. We're going to repeat all of that now to the right. So we just finished our sway, left, right, left. We're going to now take our step together, step to the right, step together, step, weaving now with the left foot crossing over. Left foot, step on the right foot, and then left foot would cut underneath ourselves. So we have 1, 2, 3, front, side, back. Try that again. 1, 2, 3, front, side, back, and then we have our sways. Right, left, right. Okay, let's put those couple of phrases together as we travel to the left, and then as we travel to our right. And we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, and we have 1, 2, 3. Weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3. All right, so let's go all the way back from the top. I know we've gotten a lot here. We're almost there. We're almost at the end. So starting from the top as we cross over with our left foot. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Basic to the front, basic to the front, basic to the back, basic to the back. Step, 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 weave, 2, 3. Sway, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3. All right, great job, everybody. You can always go back, keep working on those steps as you need. We just finished sway, sway, sway. That weight is in our right foot. We are now gonna finish the dance with 4 basics. Left and right, take it back and a back. So just like we did at the beginning, we're kind of in the middle of the dance. We have those 2 basics traveling forward, and we have our 2 basics traveling back. And then we would start our whole dance again. Weave and 2. Here's that basic front, and right foot leads, left foot leads back, and right foot leads back. As we travel, 1, 2, 3, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, step together, step, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, basic front, and a back, and back. Wonderful. And as you can see, the more comfortable you get with the dance as well, you can add that upper body, just letting that body sway to that waltz rhythm. All right, dancers, I'm super excited to dance with our music, so if you're ready, stay right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cross, 2, 3. Take it forward to the left and forward to the right. Now we back it up. 1. And basic back. Now we're going to travel over to the left. 1, 2, 3. Weave, 2, 3. Sway, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Sway, 2, 3. Here's that basic front again. And right foot traveling back, back, and a back. Starting from the top, we cross 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Basic left, basic right, traveling back with the left foot, and the right foot as we take it to our left. Step together, step, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, basic front, and the front, traveling back, and back to the top. Cross it. 1 and a 2. Here comes that basic. We can always add the arms, getting that upper body flowing with ourselves as we step it back. Step it back. Traveling. 1, 2, 3. Cross. 2, 3. Sway. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And cross. 2, 3. Sway it out. Again, use that upper body as much as we need so you can get a little bit challenged those abdominals as well. Taking it back and back to the top. Weaving 1. Crossing over and we basic front and we basic front. Traveling it back to the back. Traveling to the 1, 2, 3. Weave. 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, right side, and across, side, cross, sway. Coming back to our basic, left and right. Find that easy breath. Wonderful, we're across it from the top. And sweet twinkle, and basic, and 2, and 3, and 4. As we go, step together, step, weave, 2, 3, sway, sway, sway. We'll finish our dance together today. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. I hope you have a beautiful time dancing, and I can't wait to see you again. Have a wonderful day, everybody.